Good morning and happy, fantastic, fabulous French Fry Friday. I am so grateful that it is Friday today. Could really use some good rest and relaxation, R&R. All right, you guys, let's see. Let's jump right into it. What month is it? Our month is dun, 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 November. Let's find November together. Ready? We have January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, and after October comes November. There's our November. Our month is November, and our year is 2020. And today is Friday the 13th. Oh my goodness! Today is Friday, November 13th, 2020. And let's see. Thanksgiving is coming up pretty quickly, you guys. We just have 2 weeks until Thanksgiving. That's so exciting. I love Thanksgiving. We're going to keep it really quiet this year because of the virus, but still going to have a really good time just in our house. And we're starting to plan out some of the details of what we want to cook. So that is fun. Do you guys have a favorite Thanksgiving food? I love homemade cranberry sauce. I think that's one of my favorites. But I also really love anything potato. I love potatoes. Okay, now, before I get distracted, let's count to 13. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. All right, let's punch it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Let's uppercut. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Shoulder taps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Excellent, excellent. All right, so we know it's November 13th, but what day of the week is it? We can go to our 13, look straight up, and see today is fantastic, fabulous French Fry Friday. Today is Friday. One hop backwards. Yesterday was Thin Mint Thursday. Thin Mint Thursday, French Fry Friday. Tomorrow will be Stay Home Saturday. Stay Home Saturday. And it is a good weekend to stay home because not only is it fall, right? We know that it is fall, but it is also supposed to rain all weekend, including today. So it's going to be a rainy day, which is perfect for things like movies or an arts and craft or cooking with your family or reading. Those are all perfect examples of things you could do inside. Personally, when it's rainy, I love to do arts and crafts. So I think I'll do something this weekend. We'll see what happens. All right, you guys, I hope that all of you have a fantastic weekend. I hope you get lots of rest. Take care of yourselves. Have fun, and I'll see you back here on Monday. Bye.